Hi, my name is Gene Allen, and I'm going to do a quick follow-up to the ransomware video I did earlier. And what I'm going to do here is we're going to, on this computer, it's the same setup as before, has the ransomware sitting here in this inbox. And if I double-click on it, it will install it. But this time, I've installed FileSure.cloud. So we're going to turn on a single rule. So we go to, let's see, FileSure.cloud. Go away. All right, and we want to log in. Yes, that's good. Go there. And here's our, this is the main console. It's nice, it's really simple to use. This is FileSure.cloud is a pre-configured version of FileSure Defend that's built for small businesses or people who don't have dedicated IT staff or don't want to deal with it. And what we're going to do is we're going to turn on malware protection. We're going to stop this one right here. Prevent malware, 0-day attacks, and other installs. We're going to turn that on, and we're going to make it disabled. All right, so let's go down and save this. All right, so now it's saved. It's going to take it a few seconds or maybe a minute or two for the FileSure rules to actually get to the local machine. So I'm going to pause the video until I see the rules are updated. It usually takes about 3 or 4 minutes. Okay, it's been a few minutes, and FileSure.cloud has been, the rules have been changed and updated on this local computer. It all happened, I don't know, about 5 or 6 minutes, I would guess. So now we're going to go ahead and try to open up the malware just like we did before. Just like before, we have the zip file here, and this is the one that's zipped up, and we should allow this just fine. But this is the virus right here that's going to try to be installed. So what's going to happen is I'm going to double click on it, but this time instead of getting written to the hard drive and then running, FileSure is going to get involved and say, that's an executable. You're not allowed to do that, and it's going to block it. And then you hear the slap sound. It couldn't do it. And that's FileSure getting involved. And that's really all it is to do. If you actually want to install software, I made this rule disableable. I couldn't find a better word for that, but you can actually stop it right here. And you can mute it, because anytime you try to write an executable, like for instance, if you're trying to run a program and it's not working, and FileSure get involved, you'll hear that slap sound. You can mute it, or you can turn off the rule and install whatever you please. Sometimes you don't want this. Like for instance, if you've got relatively low-tech users, you can just hide this configuration option altogether. But just with this one rule, you can actually prevent malware and ransomware from getting installed.